Is spending hours sanding veneer panels by hand, draining your precious time? Welcome to the future with our latest innovation, the automatic veneer panel sanding machine. This marvel of modern technology transforms the sanding process, delivering consistent, high-quality results every single time. Forget about uneven surfaces and tired arms. This machine is here to revolutionize your workshop. Engineered with precision and powered by advanced programming, this machine sands veneer panels quickly and accurately. Just input your desired specifications, press a button, and marvel as the machine sands the panel to absolute perfection. The automatic veneer panel sanding machine isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's the future of woodworking today. It's about upgrading your workshop, increasing productivity, and making the most of your time. So, why not embrace the future? Why not revolutionize the way you sand veneer panels? Why not say hello to efficiency, accuracy, and consistency? Don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself, experience the difference, and revolutionize your woodworking process. The automatic veneer panel sanding machine is here to redefine your workshop experience. Embrace the future today.